Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use an electric file. First, familiarize yourself with the main components, including the handpiece, control box, and foot pedal. Next, identify various bit types like carbide, ceramic, and diamond, understanding their unique applications for shaping, filing, and cuticle work. Always prioritize safety by wearing eye protection and ensuring proper ventilation in your workspace. This foundational knowledge is crucial for effective and safe operation. Before you begin, selecting the appropriate bit is key for the task at hand, whether it's removing gel, shaping, or refining cuticles. Firmly insert your chosen bit into the handpiece, ensuring it's fully seated to prevent wobbling during use. Start with a low revolutions per minute, or RPM, setting, typically between 5,000 and 10,000 to gain control and avoid damaging the nail. Gradually increase the speed as you become more comfortable and confident with the tool. When using the electric file, hold the handpiece like a pencil, maintaining a comfortable grip for optimal control and precision. Apply very light pressure, allowing the bit to do the work, and use continuous, sweeping motions across the nail surface. Never hold the bit in one spot for too long, as this can generate excessive heat and cause discomfort or damage to the nail. Consistent movement ensures an even finish and protects the client's nail health. After completing your nail service, it's vital to clean and sanitize all bits thoroughly to maintain hygiene and prevent cross-contamination. Proper storage of your electric file and bits in a clean, dry place will significantly extend their lifespan and ensure they are ready for your next use. Remember, a well-maintained tool performs best. Also, for a fresh car scent, check out the link in the description for Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Taking care of your tools and your environment makes all the difference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.